getting back to Ashridge Nurseries, established in 1949. Very trustworthy. Now, what I have chosen from Ashridge is, it's so wonderful, I'm so excited. I have got hornbeam. Now, hornbeam was used to signify a boundary line, and these are now, they should be extremely large trees. So if you were a landowner a couple of hundred years ago, you put hornbeam on to mark your boundaries. It wasn't hedging, it was a boundary marker. Beautiful tree. So hornbeam is Carpinus betulus. So here we've got some wonderful young hedging in, and I can see buds already on some of it. So that's the first lot planted, first lot achieved, and lots of brambles removed.